Hey guys, I'm Grace Fisher and I'm a digital marketing and advertising major.
And I'm Mary Scott Forehand and I'm a business entrepreneurship major.
And we're going to take you along in a day in our lives at Liberty University.
Come along!
I'm on my way to Busy 223, which is a personal finance class. We're going to be talking mostly about investments, budgeting. One thing I really like about this class is we have physical aspects in the class. So we always start out with a devotion and prayer and then kind of get into it. All right, let's go. Just finished class. Now I'm on my way to my next class. I'm now in the School of Business for my first class of the day, Accounting to 11. Accounting to 11 is a required class here for the business majors at Liberty University. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Professor Cost. What do you like most about accounting?
Well, accounting is language of business. So it is foundational to everything you're going to do in business, whether you are going to work in marketing, human resources, project management. You have to understand how the financial statements are going to reflect on your individual departments.
Okay, we just finished class and we're off to the Rot for lunch.
All right, we both just finished class and now we're at the Rot.
We're gonna take a lap and see what we want to eat.
I normally eat the allergen station.
My go-to is 360 Grill, which is
It's healthy
stir
food.
fry. Love it.
We're gonna take a lap though because we don't know.
There's always some good stuff during lunchtime. They kind of have some new stuff that switches out, so we're gonna take a look at that.
Yep, here you go.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
I'm gonna get a salad and put this grilled chicken, it looks bomb, on the salad. There's a drawer by the salad bar that has rolls.
Okay, we're gonna eat and then we'll see you guys in class. Alright, now that lunch is done, we're gonna go to Busy 240 for my last class of the day. Alright, I'm in Busy 240 with Professor Boyce. Can you tell us a little bit about the class?
Yeah, hey Grace. So Busy 240 is organizational behavior, and we learn all about the different behaviors that make the world go around in the workplace. So we're learning about personalities, stress, leadership, work culture, all those fun things.
Okay, we're here with Dr. Wheeler, teacher of EBN 101. Dr. Wheeler, how would you explain EBN 101?
I think it's the most exciting class on campus, without a doubt, whatever, because we get to share the gospel. That's what this is about. The stories that we hear. I just had a student walk by and share the gospel. Family members that come to Christ. Up in the corner up there is a young lady who led her uncle to Christ. Hey, you can't get any better than that. So anybody's welcome to visit our class anytime they want to.
We have assigned seats and this is my seat. About to hear the word from Dr. Wheeler. Today's been a great day. Grace is also in class right now, but yeah, we'll keep you updated.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rachel. Happy birthday to you.
All right, we just finished EBN and now we're going to the business building for Business 240 for the last class of the day. We learned about organizational behavior and management, so let's go.
All right, we're here with Professor Doobie. Professor Doobie, how would you describe Busy 240?
Busy 240 is a class that's designed to understand that all work is done in an organization through people. And we like processes, we like technology, we like methods and models and artifacts. But at the end of the day, we work with humans created by God. They are worthy of dignity, respect, and the best that we can give them. So we study how to manage them well, lead them well, and hopefully do some great work together.
As you can see here that today we're going to be talking about chapter 49 on Monday.
All right, I just finished my class. Classes are done for the day, and we're gonna go head to the dorm and find Grace.
What's up, guys? We're back from classes and we're gonna give you a little room tour. We live on Commons 1, floor 6.
Oakley. Okay, so as you walk into our little doorway. You're greeted with closets on one side and the bathroom on the other side. In the bathroom, we have a nice, lovely shower. It's really nice considering it's a dorm room shower. And once you walk out, you walk straight into the closets. This is my side and this is Grace's side. You have 2 racks and then 3 little shelves. We just put all of our clothes on here. They store a ton of clothes. Every commons room comes with 4 of these, which are just drawers. Again, really spacious, and they hold a ton of clothes.
Coming this way, we have our vanity. This is shared, obviously. We have 2 shelves on either side, here and here, and then we have the mirror. And underneath the vanity, we have some storage just that we brought, and then our mat. Over here, we have some pictures, our schedule written out, and then this is kind of our pantry area. We've got a fridge and a microwave that comes with the dorm, which is really nice. And then our Brita and all this stuff just for food. Now you're in the biggest part of the room. Here we are, super cutie. This is Mary Scott's side. Really cute, she's got some pictures up. Obviously twin bed, and then we got some stools. Underneath the bed, you're gonna find some more storage right there. And then this is my side. Pretty much the same thing. We decided to twin beds and all that stuff just to get a cute little vibe. And then this did not come with the dorm, but we just have this cute little organizer for our Bibles and blankets.
So we live on the side of commons facing the parking lot. We have a beautiful view. Every commons room has 1 window. There's a couple rooms that have more than 1 window. We brought a curtain and a curtain rod to school, but it does come with a full set of blinds to help protect like the sunlight from coming in. And over here we have 2 desks. They hold a ton of things, a ton of space, a ton of storage. And then on top we have our TV and a lamp, just a bunch of decor stuff, and then we have our body mirror right there. Okay.
There's salvation in your name.
We need to walk. Now we want to talk about why the reasons we chose Liberty over other universities.
I chose Liberty for a lot of reasons. The biggest one was that I wanted to go to a big university, but still kind of have that Christian feel where the Lord is like in every aspect of the school. And that just really stuck out to me when I toured Liberty, and also my brother used to go here, so I got to kind of see Liberty through that way as well. Another big reason was I've heard that Liberty was super community based, and through coming here, I can totally say that that was true.
I chose Liberty because the first time I came onto the campus, which was only a year ago, I just felt the Lord's presence on the campus, and it was something that I've never really felt before about the university, because I toured a bunch of different universities, and this one just stuck out the most to me, and I loved how spirit-led it is, and how everyone is just so nice and friendly and smiley, and they want to talk to you. And I also chose it because I want to be at a Christian college, and I want to be pushed in that aspect of my life because it is the most important aspect.
Our favorite memory together would probably be always being outdoors. In the beginning of the year when it was a little warmer, and also now that's warming up too in the spring, we're doing a lot of hikes, which are super fun. Our whole hall does it, and sometimes we just do it together. But we get the sunset hikes or the afternoon hikes. It's just super fun, and we're in a great location for all these hikes.
Definitely a core memory for us was when we had a bunch of snow days back in January and February. We went sledding down the hills because Liberty has a ton of hills. That was definitely super, super fun. So we live on Oakley Hall, which is Commons 1, floor 6, and our hall life is amazing. They make everyone feel included. We do a ton of hall events, which is really fun because you really get close to all the people you live with super quickly, and they become your family.
Literally everybody on the hall just loves each other. It's really like a family, like Mary Scott was saying. Everybody's down to always do activities, and something cool about all the commons buildings is we have a common room in the middle of the boys and the girls hall, so everybody hangs out there. There's always something going on, so it's just been super fruitful and super fun to just do life with everyone and grow. And really, without this hall community, it would be so much of a different college experience. Life as a Liberty student. What do we do? There's so many things to do, so many ways to get involved. Later today, you're gonna see us going to a Bible study.
which is something we both really enjoy to just add to our week. There's also a lot of clubs you can get involved in. We're both in the Women in Business Club, which we love. There's always activities, way to meet people in your major, which is super fruitful. And then you also get to learn more skills. Something more like creative and fun that I like to do is I'm involved in intramurals. So I play beach volleyball and soccer, which is super fun. You meet a lot of new people and it's just a good way to be competitive when you're not like a D1 athlete. So please put this in. Liberty Collective, hire us. Okay, let's redo. I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversation. And they kinda start playing that, running down to the riptide, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left hand man. Okay, love. They're not putting that in. I hope so, please put it in. Okay, bye.
All right, we pulled away from campus. This is the Muse Coffee Shop. This is just a place you can go, get off campus, do some studying, and have some good coffee. Let's go. All right, we're done studying and we're off to praise God. Hey guys, we're at Praise God Ministries. We usually come here every Tuesday night.
We worship and we learn about the Lord and get in the Word together.
Yeah, it's super fun, so let's come in.
That's a day in our life. Make sure to subscribe to Liberty's YouTube channel. And if you want to see more about what it means to be a student at Liberty University, go check out our YouTube channel, Grace and Mary Scott. You can see it up above or down below in the description.
Bye. See you guys on campus.